Show that x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 7x plus 12 over 4x minus 5 minus 3 is equal to x plus 7 over x minus 4. So if we take the left-hand side of this, the left-hand side is all this, and we work with the left-hand side because we've got a lot more things that we can work with here. So we've got x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 7x plus 12 over 4x minus 5 minus 3. So the first step would be to factorise this term here. So we've got x minus 3, so this will go into two brackets. So we've got x, and we want 12, and we want 7, so it looks like 3 and 4, and both of them would have to be minus. So we've got x minus 3, x minus 4, that's over 4x minus 5, take away 3. Now, to divide fractions, we've got x minus 3, we change the multiplication sign, so it's keep, change, and flip. So it becomes 4x minus 5 over x minus 3 times x minus 4 minus 3. Now we look to see if we can cancel. So it's factorise, keep, change, flip, and then we cancel out that, and we get that. So we're going to end up with 4x minus 5 over x minus 4 minus 3. Now you might want to think of the 3 as 3 over 1. So we need a common denominator. So the common denominator will become x minus 4. This is fine because 4x minus 5 is over x minus 4. But then now we need to multiply this side by minus 3. So we need to do minus 3 times x minus 4 in order to keep the common denominator. So, expanding the bracket in the numerator, we've got 4x minus 5 minus 3x minus 4 minus 3 times minus 4, which is plus 12 over x minus 4. Now collect together like terms. So we've got 4x minus 3x, which is x, and minus 5 plus 12, which is plus 7 over x minus 4, and we can see that's equal to the right-hand side. Okay, so it's been a video to prove an identity using algebraic fractions, particularly using division and subtraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.